Yo, finally. Seems like we are live, guys. Technical issues. I'm sorry for being late. This thing just refused to connect. I don't know what the problem was. All right, so please give me one in the chat if you hear me loud and clear, so I know that we are live and that we can get this thing going. Perfect. Thank you, worldwide. Let's do this. Let's do this. Last almost 15 minutes on that. Yo, bro, I don't know what we did, Mr. Worldwide. I don't know what we did last time when we were setting up the streaming thing, but something fucked up because I couldn't go live. But I managed to figure it out, and then. All right, let's do this. We got market open in 3 minutes. Let's jump into this. So, first and foremost, what we're looking at, we're looking at one pair that I find very interesting right now, and that is Euro USD. It already dropped a lot. We made what have we made, like 80 pips on it or something. There's no new link. Should be the same link. What the heck is going on, man? Man, everything is bugging today. Yo. Damn. What the heck is this, yo? Let's do this. Guys, technical stuff can be very, very irritating sometimes. We love it when it works, but when it don't work, you just want to do some damage to it. Now, and I know anybody fought with a computer before knows what I'm talking about. Okay, let's do this. Focus. Euro USD. We did an awesome trade here. Came in at 1.10360 and sorry, 1.0360. No, 10360. And we have gained like 80 pips so far. And on this one, particularly this one, I'm looking for the TP4. If y'all still in this trade, the TP4 I'm looking at is down here. Oop. Market open, by the way. This is what we're looking at. Boom, there. So about 1.093. So 1.093 if you're still in this trade and you're looking for TP4. That's it. Now let's see how how the market reacts to market open. I think this market open is going to be very slow because we got the news coming out soon. And for all of y'all in the Telegram channel, I will keep you updated on the news. We will trade it. Maybe I send out a Zoom link. But until that, let's look at this because we got a very nice sell setup for Euro USD. The only thing we wanted was this fair value gap here to be cleared, and it is. And I want to show you guys what I'm looking at. So what we're doing is this. Look, we got a change of character here. All right. We broke structure. We got change of character if we're looking at smart money. Now, in the same time, we got a change of trend as well. Okay. So I think this thing is going to drop. Now, it all depends on how the news comes out, because the fundamentals is going to affect this a lot, as much more than the technicals. So the technicals we do now is just to get a bias on what direction we're looking at. And I'm looking at a sell, definitely. A short-term sell. It doesn't have to be a long-term sell. If we gain 20, 30 pips, we love it. More than that, it's a bonus. So the entry point for the sell, it would actually, like the ultimate entry point would be up here. Boom. Well, I'll put the stop loss at about 0.196. So very small stop loss, small, nice, neat little scalp. Yeah, I can push it down here. So that's number one trade we're looking at. The first trade we're looking at. Okay, but market needs to come up here first. So we set an alarm. I don't do so much. I'm not much for sell limit and buy limits, so I'm more for setting alarms on trades. Let me just check something here. Yeah, you know, Frederick, I think you're right, man. Seems like people are stuck and can't get in. I'm sending out the new link in the Telegram. Yes, we would love to get that entry. It's in 5 minutes. Okay, gold rushing down now. Boom, we got a major pump on gold. Let's look at this. Change of character. Nice equilibrium down here. Look at gold like this. Only reason for me looking at gold now is basically to scalp it. I don't want to trade it. But if I see a nice scalp, I'm definitely in for it. Why I don't want to trade it is because it doesn't, on the bigger time frames, like 1 hour plus, it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. So, but when it comes to scalping, yeah, very nice. So let's look at this. Man, I need to update my trading view. Embarrassing. All right, that should be it. Let's make this one red. Okay, perfect. Okay, so from what I see, we got, oh shit, we got good support here, man. We have good support for scalp, but the market is pushing down heavy. So we are not going in for a buy right now. There's a lot of volume pressure downwards. Let's look at this on a shorter time frame. We had a nice scalp there, but we ain't doing no risky stuff. All we're doing is risky, but we're trying to minimize the risk, of course. I see. No, this one is already past, man. Yo, Frederick, let me know if you're looking at something nice. Need inspiration here. Okay, we had a really nice scalp situation here. Let's see if it gets back to that. Boom. Just like that. And then we go, let's see. What do we have? No, situation is past. I'm gonna have to let this one go for now. Okay, we're moving upwards. So this one might be live very soon. Let's just hope that the market comes up here all the way so we can enter it. Yeah, but bro, those engulfing candles, I'm gonna be honest with you, they don't mean so much for me. They are good confirmations when you have other things showing something. We have our Euro GBP trade, and I think it's going to come up all the way to TP3. It's moving up right now. We already hit TP2, but it's been struggling. It's been a heavy lift to get up there. And we got GBP USD back down to the support. Let's see. So it's retesting this previous significant high here. And that is confluent with the 20-day EMA. This could be a nice setup here. Let's look what Luke's algo got for us. We broke the previous daily low. That is not good in a bullish term. But I see very strong buy confirmations here on this one. But the question is if I would like it to come down a little bit more to test the 20-day EMA on a daily time frame. So your sell you want to do now looks good. My sell on what, Euro USD? Yeah, man, that starts to look attractive. Let's see if we can get a nice scalp on this one. This needs to come up to our entry points. It's full of buy orders more than red. Which one, the Euro USD? Okay. Yeah, that would make sense because we got you know what? I'm not going to say too much. The thing is like this, we have a lot of liquidity here, a lot of imbalance. So we should come down and clear some of this. And that would put us down to, yeah, to this extension that I was looking at, the 61.8 Fibonacci extension. So basically 1.0935-ish. Zooming in. Yeah, now it's coming up to our entry. GBP USD, yeah. All right, so our Euro USD is coming into our entry. It actually already touched it, but very quick though. This is what we're looking at. Let me make this a little bit brighter so you see it clearer. This is the one we're looking at. And entry is basically now for a sell scalp. So let's see how this works out. But it ran away even before I got the chance to enter it. So let's see if it comes back. And remember, like trades that runs away from you before you enter the trade, don't chase them. If it runs away, it runs away. Like don't jump into it too late, and you know when you already missed like 10 pips or something. In this case here, I think it's only a matter of very few pips, but because it's more or less a scalp trade, we want to have every single, yeah, this is like, it's not even 2 pips. So because it's a scalp trade, we want to have every single pip in counting. But you can prepare it. Let's just hope it bounces up again, comes up to our entry, bounces up to 38.2 Fibonacci. That is our sell. Remember, very short sell. So our first take profit would basically be not even that. Yeah, around this level. Bam, broke it. And that went quick. All right, so I have a small order on it. Let's see how it works. Stop loss. This is first scalp trade. Stop loss at 1.096. So just above the 50% retracement. And the first take profit is at these highs here. I don't want to draw too much to make this chart too messy with things, but the first take profit I'm looking at is at 109.55. 109.55. That is a very small take profit. So that is 3 pips, not even that. But the next one we're looking at after that, that one is down here. So I would say about, let's see if it comes down there, because right now I see there's a lot of volume up. Next one would be at 1.095. So I can draw it out for you so you see it. Let's remove this. TP 1. pushing up. Let's see if this holds. I'm actually increasing my position now for the sell order. Buying or selling it at discount. GBP/USD, what you saying? Is showing more buy than sell orders. All right. Plus, it's on the trend line now. GBP/USD. Okay. Let's look at it very quick. Manara also says buy on GBP/USD entry. Boom, 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 boom. So the buy on GBP/USD is good. We have confirmation from Manara. Plus, it shows more buy orders than sell orders. We love that. Thank you, Frederick. And by the way, shout out to Frederick for this beautiful bar I got down here in this whole streaming screen. That is thanks to him. He made it for me, actually. All right, GBP/USD, you say. Let's look at this. All right, nice, nice, nice. And it came down to our entry. We like this. The only thing is the news is coming in about what? 13 minutes. That one is heavy. You said Monero has something on it. What does it say? Multiple sessions. Let's look at Monero. GBP/USD. Let's see if I can find it here. Which pattern were you looking at, on Monero? Well, this one is already played out. Yeah, no, we're definitely gonna wait until news drops. We're gonna be careful with this. Thing is like this. It's bat pattern. Where do we got that? Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. I don't see no bat pattern here. GBP/USD. Let's see. Boom, boom. In the meantime, let's get back to this. See what's going on here. Still haven't hit TP1. Now, the thing is like this market is slow now because of the news dropping soon. So we gonna look around a little bit, but the real action will start in about 10 minutes. Let's look at the news today. So we got today what? We got Tuesday, and we got news dropping 4 p.m. That's in 10 minutes. 4 p.m. Swedish time. And Joel's job openings, to be honest with you guys, I have no idea what that is. Something about jobs. Let's see. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So it means it's good for the US dollar. All right. Now, wait, I just have to check. I think it hit TP3. Yeah, that went fast. So actually greater than forecast, it's good for currency. That means it's good for the US dollar. Okay. So what's expected is 9.774 million. So number of job openings during the reported month, excluding the farming industry. Okay, so basically 9.74 million job openings is expected. If it comes down a bit more than this, greater than this number, what does that mean? That means the US dollar will pump. That means, for example, Euro USD will drop. Okay, anything paired against the US dollar will drop, and for example, gold will drop. That is paired against the Euro USD. Okay, now the opposite. If it comes down lower than expected, lower than 9.74, we will see the US dollar drop, and then you will see Euro USD, gold, and all of that pump. And that is that. So we're waiting for that to happen. Until that, we keep preparing the charts, keep looking at the charts and see if we can find something nice. and the charts will probably very slow until that. They won't happen much until like the minutes before the news drop, because that's most often when you see the real action happening. We have a 4 pip stop loss. Let's see. I might increase this one a little bit. 6 pip stop loss. Putting it at 10963. $10963. All right, that's it. 8 minutes left till news. Let's go, Brandon. Welcome on board. Zoom out a little bit on Euro USD. Let's remove all of these. We already smashed all of these take profits. All of that done. All of that in the bag. Let's keep focus on this. So on the bigger picture, just for you to understand what's going on with Euro USD, we've been on this trend for a while now. And basically ever since the end of March, we've been on this trend, or even more than that, since mid of March. And lately, what happened, I think it was yesterday or before yesterday, we broke it. So we broke below it, came up, retested it, and I think we are into a downtrend now. So I think we already formed a downtrend, but I think this downtrend is going to continue for a little while. Euro USD, that trade valid? Let's see if it's still valid. From what I see, it already, yeah, it hit TP1, but it's still valid. It's bouncing around here. Bro, this is small pips, so this is like 3 pips from entry till TP1. This is a scalp trade, Simon. So it's definitely still valid if you want to take it. I would wait in that case for the retrace of this candle back up here, but you never know. And like I said, if you miss a trade, don't chase it. Let it come back to you, or you look for another trade. Chasing trades, that's your worst enemy. That is what is going to get you wrecked. Right. TP1, at least we hit on this one. TP1 done. And now it's trying to push below the 23.6 to go for TP2. Let's see if it works. Yeah, man. New candle just opened on the 5 minutes, so this one will probably go up a little bit. Even if it wants to continue to drop, I think it will come and retest the 20-day EMA, or it will just drop like it's doing now. So we have gold pumping. Gold is looking strong. Dixie didn't do much. More sideways action on the 5 minute. But gold looked like it wants to do something. The thing is with gold, we just came back to the supply zone here, and that will probably give it a little push down. News in 4 minutes. Still waiting for the news to pop. And we'll see if we get some nice scalping action on the news. Now remember, if there'll be some nice scalping action, remember that there's a delay. This is like, I think we have like 6-7 seconds of delay on the stream. So from when I'm talking to, when it comes to your speakers. So don't, when I say I'm buying something, don't buy it when I'm saying it. You look for the levels I'm telling you, and trade out of those levels on your own trading view. All right. So don't use my words as a signal, so to say. For that case, we have to do Zoom calls, and we are going to do it, but it's going to be later on because we can't stream those Zoom calls on YouTube. Oh, the Euro USD trade is running nice, man. We just hit TP2, and let's see. So my TP3 is all the way down here. Let's see if it hits that. But what you can do now is move down. If you're still in this, move down your stop loss. I would put it to break even right now. Boom. Yeah, time to put it to break even, because that's good volume down, and makes no sense in risking this trade, risking the profits made. Let's see, 9, 5, 7, 4. How many are on this Euro USD sell right now? Frederick, I know you took it. Oh damn, this is going down to TP3 now. Come on, let's do it. Yeah, Simon, I'm sorry, man, but there will be more trades. Like I said, don't chase it. This one is gone, no worries. He came in late. Be on time next time. And there will be more trades, and nothing to stress about. Remember, there's always trades, so don't chase these trades. Yeah, as I said, gold will hit the supply zone and drop down, and this is exactly what happened. We didn't take any trade there. To be honest with you, I'm just not feeling the confidence with gold, and this is why I'm like letting it be a little bit. Okay, you did TP1. That's the right attitude, Simon, and that's the attitude that makes you money. The abundance attitude. It's going to TP4 also all the way down to 189. Where's that? Oh, by the way, news in about a minute. Oh, you think it's coming down all the way there? I might hold it. I might hold this last TP. Just trail my stop loss. Bro, if it's coming down there, I think it's coming down all the way to 38.2. We'll see. Let's focus on the news. We got them now. And guys, I just have to put up the charger. I was so focused on getting the stream on, I forgot to connect the charger. Yeah, and that's the news alarm ringing. Oh snap, what happened? We have it came back quick, man. So this whole trade got back very quick. Oh, the news hit, you see? And gold is pumping. Yep. Now, what you do now, if you want to scalp gold or Euro USD or whatever you want to do here, you wait always for the wick back. So for here, for example, we got the wick back, boom. I want to see it breach 161. If it does so, if it breaches this high, then we're in. Yeah, that's the wick back. Nice. Love it. And off we go. Come on. Damn, it's bouncing around a lot right now. Took 20 pips on that one. Yeah, dollar is dropping. I see that. Let's see how far it's going to drop. Let's mark out some levels so we know what's going on here. Yeah, at least we're coming down to the supply, to the demand zone here. At least when it comes to the US dollar. Let's watch it and see what's going on. Anybody took a scalp on gold or anything else? Oh damn, gold, euro. Yeah, our Euro GBP trade is pumping up now. Hopefully we got TP3 today. How is this one? Oh shit, this one is doing good as well. Bro, I totally forgot the GBP USD trade, man. Already pumped a little bit. Let's see it break the 20-day EMA. I don't think it's too late to enter yet, actually, because it's a very big move we're looking at. And it has only moved 15-ish, 13 pips so far. Let's just see if we can get a little wick back for the entry. If not, then not. Not much to do about it. Yeah, a little wick back there. Let's see this. GBP USD. Yeah, I'm entering with a small lot on that one now. I'm going in with half of a normal lot because the entry is not optimal. Yeah. So I have the pullback in calculation for this one. So let's see. What I love about this trade is that we just cleared some of this liquidity here. And this one should move up definitely. Okay, set the stop loss for 124.315. that's pretty much it, guys. Yeah, I cannot go into Manara now because I'm traveling to Dubai tomorrow, so I got quite a busy day ahead of me. And stay tuned on the YouTube channel because there will be a lot of content from Dubai, a lot of vlogs and interviews with 6, 7 figure earners in trading and in affiliate marketing. If you're down to digital entrepreneurship, and I want to announce something also. So probably if we manage to finish it before May finishes, we're dropping a new system. I call it Escape the Matrix system. And it's a hybrid of the smart money concept and the strategy I've been trading myself until now. So and that strategy will be very duplicatable. And until now, we've been back testing it, and it has like phenomenal results. Phenomenal results. So that one will be available for people in EA, of course, in the economy. Maybe we'll see how we do it with the people in the Prosperous channel, but I definitely recommend you to stay tuned to the Prosperous channel and to the Telegram channel. So if you ain't in the Telegram channel yet, the link is in the description box below. Make sure you join it. That's where we keep you always posted about the trades and what's going on. But for now, we're inside the GBP USD. Euro USD stopped us out. Damn, stopped us. Yeah. Anyways, and we good like that for today. Yeah, thank you, bro. And Frederick, thank you for the feedback and everything here. Guys, I wish you a blessed day. Stay prosperous, trade safe with proper risk management, and I'll see y'all from Dubai. Peace out.